Hello everyone, this side Shubhangi Tiwari from Smart Step Classes. So guys, handling cue card is becoming difficult for you. Are you finding it difficult to form the sentences and collect the content on the particular given topic within 60 seconds? So this video is definitely going to change your perspective and your approach towards the speaking cue card. So guys, अगर आपको cue card मिला है and as you know that you have only 60 seconds to prepare the cue card and you will be needing to speak for up to 120 second. Up to 120 second is the speaking time. So how to create the content, how you are able to form sentences और किस तरीके से we remain a free mind so that we can control the topic in a very natural way yet very fluent way. So किसी भी topic के cue card को handle करने के लिए there's a strategy which is very helpful which you'll be learning in this video, and to follow that प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड सो दैट आपको वो स्ट्रैटेजी है वो प्रॉपरली समझ में आए. सो गाइज, whenever we talk about the cue card, how you are going to spend your 60 seconds are important. So you should have the concept of 5 wives and 1 husband. How you are going to handle this? 5 wife refers to the 5 question words starting with W. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First is what. So you have to first analyze that what is the topic revolving all around. So जो क्यू कार्ड में आपको टॉपिक दिया गया है, what it is all about, वो किसके बारे में है, what is the central idea जिसको आपको लेके आगे तक उसको थ्रू करके चलना है. Second happens to be when. Now, whenever you talk about when, that means you are talking about time. So you can mention the time when you might have experienced, because ज़्यादातर क्यू कार्ड जो है वो आपको एक्सपीरियंस के फॉर्म में दिए जाते हैं, that you have visited a bookstore, you have picked up a book and tell us about the experience of reading that book, how it went, right? So time. Then is which. That means the choice. So why you particular choose in that, right? उसके पीछे रीजन क्या था उसको चूज करने का. So 5 में से 3 इंपॉर्टेंट कौन से हैं आपके? What, when, which, who. Who refers to the person कि while the time you were experiencing that, who was a person accompanying you. Let's suppose last time you baked a cake for your family member. So who के reference में who you baked it for, right? Last but not the least is going to be why. Why always refers to some or the other reason for happening. So guys, अगर technically आप लोग यहाँ check करेंगे, so first, second, third and fourth, ये चारों first W आपको one line answers ही देंगे. So what is the topic about? When did that happen? Which among all you chosen? And who was the person accompanying you. यहाँ पे आप जितने भी आंसर्स देंगे that is going to be one line. So technically अगर आप देखें, so you have secured 5-7 lines यहाँ तक. अब बात आती है reason. Let's suppose you have baked a cake. What was the reason? You have visited a store. What was the reason? You have attended a seminar. What was the reason? So whenever you are going to give the reason हमेशा length answer के साथ ही आता है. So reason always comes in length. यहाँ पे आपके आराम से अगर आप 5 वाइब्स को भी अगर अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं तो आप देखेंगे कि इसी में आप कम से कम 10 to 15 सेंटेंसेस अरेंज कर पाएंगे. दैट वुड नॉट बी अ चैलेंज. और लास्ट में दैट इज वन हस्बैंड, दैट रेफर्स टू हाउ. हाउ में हमेशा जो क्वेश्चन होता है गाइज, हाउ के पीछे का जो एक रेफरेंस होता है, जो रीजन होता है, वो हमेशा होता है प्रोसेस. सो वो जो पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक आपको दिया गया है उसके प्रोसेस के बारे में आप जरा सा समझाएं. सो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू फॉलो द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस 5 वाइव्स एंड 1 हस्बैंड, ट्रस्ट यू मी, 60 सेकेंड्स आपको हैंडल करने बहुत आसान होंगे एंड उससे भी ज्यादा इजी होंगे 120 सेकेंड्स के लिए आपको बोलना, क्योंकि आपके पास ऑलरेडी जितना भी कंटेंट है वो स्ट्रीमलाइन में चलेगा. और जब जब आपका कंटेंट असेसर के सामने स्ट्रीमलाइन में चलेगा, आपका फ्लुएंसी एंड नेचुरलिटी ऑफ द लैंग्वेज will definitely be a part of your speech. So if you are preparing for all the cue card like this is going to help you. बहुत से बार देखा गया है कि बच्चे जब क्यू कार्ड प्रिपेयर करते हैं तो उसमें पूरा कंटेंट लिखने लग जाते हैं. that distracts you for reading, and reading distracts the naturality of speaking. So वो आपको कभी भी नहीं करना है. In fact आप जब भी करेंगे you will lose on the quality of your speech, which you should not do so. So what are you going to do now, guys? So cue card के लिए always follow the concept of 5 wives and 1 husband, and trust you me, these 6 question set itself will offer you the good length of 20 to 25 seconds answer. आराम से आपको 25 टू 30 सेकेंड्स के आंसर, सेंटेंसेस के आंसर इजीली इसमें मिलेंगे, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू टू प्रिपेयर. So guys, if you like the content of our video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want any particular topic to be covered by us, please mention in the chat room and we will definitely cover it in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe.